Okay, I welcome all of you to this tutorial. Now, in this tutorial, we are here to learn how your Java code can accept input from the keyboard, and we can do that by introducing the scanner. It's only the scanner functionality that can help you to be able to input data into the keyboard. So we can do that by typing the reserved word import. Then we type java dot util. These are very specific ways. You don't need to mix. If you just even spell it wrongly, there's no way it's going to function. So make sure that you spell the word correctly. Import dot java dot util dot scanner. Okay, so it said remove unused import. It means that I have to write a code which will be able to use the import functionality which I just typed. So you write the code to use the import functionality. You type scanner, and the scanner functionality is going to store whatever data you are going to type onto the keyboard. It has to store it on a variable. So you have to come out with a variable of your choice, every variable at all that you desire. So let's enter a variable such as enter number. Okay. Now that enter number is the variable has to be entered in a new kind of scanner. So you go by typing new, and it has to be, take note of the words that you type, because that is how it has to be. After typing the variable, you equate it to new scanner. If you type anything apart from that, it's not going to work. That's how the programmer designed the program. Okay, so you come to system.in. The system.in over here is what is going to the code that is going to accept the data from the input. Then it will go and store it into the variable that you've created. Now for you to be able to display the variable, you have to type the display, the printout statement, that is system.out.println, then open and close parentheses. Now take note of this. You have to, for each to be able to come, you have to first type the variable that you created. So enter number, that's the variable that I created over here. Then you come to dots. So you have to call the whatever alphabet that you are going to store. You have to call it. You call it by writing this code, next line. It's case sensitive, so it's rather small letters. Case, then comes to bigger. Next line, as you can see. Now remember to add parentheses, open and close. Now let's run it and see. So as you can see, our code has run. Everything that we type over here should be able to come. Okay. I love my wife. You see, everything that we type here should be able to accept data from the computer, from the system unit. So let's go over what we did. The explanation is that we want the keyboard to be able to input data. So we type the import java.util, and the function of this is to what? Java has several libraries. So it will bring that library out, and the function of this import library, the scanner import library, is to what? Is to accept data. So you come by creating a code that can accept the data. So you type scanner, then you create a variable. Go to new scanner, system in. Okay, so all what this new variable is doing is that it's going to accept data from the system in and store the data in, enter number. And after that, you issue the printout code. Remember to write dot next line, then open bracket, closing. Okay, open and close. So that brings us to an end of our lesson. Thank you.